In PG medical admission, there are very few states are there where clinical branch fees in private colleges are comparatively lower than deemed university or different other state private colleges. One of the type of state is Haryana State. In Haryana State, PG Medical Counseling Authority name is Department of Medical Education and Research, Government of Haryana. They conduct the PG Medical Admission Counseling. Now, in Haryana, there are three type of colleges are there. One is government college. Second category is private college under B D Sharma University. And third category colleges are private university. Okay. Apart from government colleges, which all private colleges are there under B D Sharma University, that is Adesh is there, NC is there, and Warren Medical College is there. This is the three private medical colleges are there under B D Sharma University. Apart from that, there are two private universities are there, which is SGT University, another is Al-Falah University. Al-Falah is a minority college, so there few seats are reserved for the minority student. Before starting the video, as usual, I'll first tell you which category student should participate in Haryana State Counseling. First, the student who has done MBBS from Haryana or who is having residential certificate of Haryana. Either the student is having or the parents are having. So those kind of candidates should participate in Haryana State Counseling for government quota seat in government college and for domicile quota seat in private college. So this is the first category student. But most importantly, which all category students should participate apart from that, that is important. Another category is those students who wants to take admission in clinical branch, but they have a limited budget. Maybe in 3 years, their budget is 50 lakhs. Okay. If they have a 50 lakhs budget in 3 years, then there are very, very limited number of states are there where the student can get admission. Haryana is one of them. Apart from that, if the student is looking for upper clinical branch like general medicine, dermatology, okay, OBGYN, those kind of branch, and if the rank is also not within the range, but the student is having a respectable budget like around 1 CR, 1.2 CR, in that, they will be having a possibility in Haryana in the private university. So these three categories students should participate in Haryana State Counseling. First is those who has done MBBS from Haryana or who is having the residential certificate of Haryana or the parents is having. Second, who are particularly looking for clinical branch in very low budget. Okay, maybe 3 years, 50 lakh is the budget. Okay, irrespective of the any branch, they will take because they have a limited budget. They should participate. And another is that they might be having a budget of 1 to 1.2 CR and the rank is not within the range, then they should participate to get the upper clinical branch. Now, in this video, I will mainly focus for those students who will be participating in management quota. Okay, management quota means where the fees in private college that I will show you. See, in Haryana, as I told you, under B D Sharma University, this is the fees. You can see that for under B D Sharma University, clinical branches fees is 14 lakhs per annum plus 10% yearly increment. So you can see 14 plus 10%, and it will be 15.4. Next year, again, it is approximately, if you see 1.4 will be increased. So it will be 17 lakhs. So 14 plus 15.5 approximately and 17 lakhs. So average, if you can take, it will be around 48 lakhs in 3 years. And there might be having some additional expenditure. So within 50 lakhs, your clinical specializations will be completed. Now, apart from B D Sharma University, if I go to SGT University, this is the fee structure of SGT University. Dermatology, you can see 40 lakhs per annum. Orthopedics, 32 lakhs per annum. Ophthalmology, 29 lakhs per annum. General medicine, 35 lakhs per annum. Respiratory medicine, 20 lakhs per annum. And MD Psychiatry, 29 lakhs per annum. Pediatrics, 32 lakhs per annum. General surgery, 30 lakhs per annum. ENT, 22 lakhs per annum. Anesthesia, 20 lakhs per annum. Radiology, 45 lakhs per annum. And OBG, 35 lakhs per annum. I'll show you the cutoff as well of all the colleges in different brands. You'll see here the radiodiagnosis fees approximately 45 lakhs per annum. So you will get an idea of what will be the cutoff. So based on that, you can make a plan. Here, one thing is very important in Haryana. We'll be having a security amount. First round is a free exit. And from second round, it will be a penalty round. Means if you are allotted a college, but if you don't take admission, then your security amount will be forfeited. So that is the reason in first round the student whose rank is not good, they may not get, but from second round their possibility will increase. But definitely students should participate the counseling from the first round only. I mean, some extent the Haryana process and the Pondicherry process are almost similar kind of thing. Now, see, this is the SGT fees, what I shown you, and another is the Al-Falah fees. Now, Al-Falah fees, Al-Falah is a minority college, pediatrics 29.9, approx 30 lakhs, pathology around 14.5 lakhs, Dharma 32.9, medicine 29.9, anesthesia around 18 lakhs, OBG around 30 lakhs. Now I'll tell you what was the cutoff in last year. So you'll get an idea, okay, that what will be the possibility of you based on your rank. Adesh Medical College, anesthesia. First I'm telling you anesthesia. See, if the student's rank is around 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, then it is very difficult to get even anesthesia within 50 lakhs. But in Haryana, if you participate if you are having a patients of waiting till round 3, then still you may get. Now here, two things I definitely tell you. In Haryana, you may not get a very good standard college. Maybe you will be getting a college within a lower fee. So here, if a student wants to participate, the participation reason will be you might be getting a college in a lower fees. If you are looking for a quality education or quality college, you may not get that in Haryana State private colleges. Now here you can see Adesh Medical College, 14 lakhs per annum is the fees, 57,820 is the cutoff. NC Anesthesia cutoff is 68,815. World Medical College, you can see 92,000 is the cutoff. Now, in 92,000 rank, you are getting a clinical within 50 lakhs. It is absolutely difficult. But still, the student has got because the college might not be having high demand from the student. So that is the reason. Now, Al-Falah Medical College, 17.5 fees and the cutoff is 96.94. SGT Medical College Anesthesia, 20 lakhs is the fees and 69,000 is the cutoff. Next is dermatology. See, dermatology is a very high demand branch. In dermatology, you can see in Adesh Medical College, cutoff is 17,379. Even in this rank, getting dermatology in the deemed university, you have to pay approximately 30 lakhs per annum, minimum 30 lakhs per annum. But if you are getting it in 14 lakhs, still it should be a good options. World Medical College dermatology is 17,753. Al-Falah Medical College 32 lakhs 90,000, 46,286, and SGT 40 lakhs 33,342. This is the dermatology cutoff. Coming to an ENT, Adesh Medical College, you can see 45,577 in ENT, 14 lakhs fees, NC 14 lakhs fees per annum plus 10% increment. As I told you in the beginning, 54,716 is the cutoff rank. World Medical College, 14 lakhs is the fees per annum and 62,410 is the cutoff rank. SGT Medical College ENT 22 lakhs per annum, 62,564 is the cutoff rank. then next is the World Medical College. Medicine. Now you see the medicine cutoff. What is the medicine cutoff for World Medical College? 14 lakhs fees. Approximately 29.5 thousand is the cutoff rank for medicine. I mean, in this rank, if you take admission in deemed university, your budget will not be less than 1 CR or 1.2 CR approximately. But here you are getting 14 lakhs per 10% increment. Al-Falah medicine 29.9, 54,473. SCT medicine 35 lakhs per annum. 46,428. Others medical college surgery 33,676. And NC Medical College Surgery 42,073, World Medical College 51,631, SGT Medical College 30 lakhs fees 83,902 is the cutoff in SGT Medical College. Next is Adesh OBG 14 lakhs fees 18,497, NCOBG 14 lakhs fees 20,621, World Medical College 14 lakhs fees 43,263, Al-Falah Medical College approx 30 lakhs fees 53,745, SGT Medical College 35 lakhs fees 41,660. Next is ophthalmology. Ophthalmology, Adesh Medical College, 21,127 is the cutoff rank fees, 14 lakhs. NC, 40,049 and 14 lakhs is the fees. World Medical College, 46,722, 14 lakhs is the fees. SGT Medical College, 29 lakhs is the fees, 462,676. Adesh Medical College, orthopedics, 14 lakhs fees 29,500. World Medical College Orthopedics 14 lakhs fees 33,112. Next is World Medical College Jajur Orthopedics 14 lakhs per annum fees and cutoff rank 33,112. SGT Gurgaon Orthopedics fees 32 lakhs per annum, cutoff rank 75,312. Next is Pediatrics. Adesh Medical College Pediatrics 14 lakhs per annum fees 27,316 is the cutoff rank. NC Medical College Pediatrics 14 lakhs fees 34,945 is the cutoff rank. World Medical College Pediatrics 14 lakhs fees and 34,000 World Medical College 35,350 is the cutoff. And next is Al-Falah Medical College Pediatrics around 29 lakh 90,000 fees. 54,804 is the cutoff rank. SGT Medical College 32 lakhs fees 37,615 is the cutoff rank. And Adesh Medical College Psychiatry, next is Psychiatry. Adesh Medical College 14 lakh 37,187. World Medical College Psychiatry 14 lakhs fees 53,617. SGT 29 lakhs fees 59,528. This is the psychiatry fees. Next is radio diagnosis. Radio diagnosis, Adesh Medical College 14 lakhs fees. You can see the cutoff 5,892 is the cutoff rank. NC radio diagnosis same. It is 14 lakhs fees plus 10%. 8,012 is the cutoff rank. World Medical College Charger 14 lakhs fees 12,711 is the cutoff rank. Coming to SGT, 45 lakhs fees and the cutoff rank is 35,109. Okay, next TB chest, Adesh Medical College 14 lakhs plus 10% increment 37,754. This is a very good options actually for TB chest in Adesh Medical College in this rank if you get in this fees. SGT 29 lakhs fees and 58,204. This is the cutoff rank we discussed. I have given you complete information last year 2024. Okay, and this cutoff rank has taken till round 3. What is the lowest cutoff? Okay, lowest cutoff, what is this? Now in the beginning only I told you, if you feel that you will be getting the seat in round 1 only in Haryana, you may not get, because in Haryana round 1 is a free exit. So in round 2 it will go down, round 2 and round 3 it will go down. So if you are participating in Haryana, if you pay the security amount, then you have to wait round 2 or round 3 to get your college. Since the colleges in Haryana, few of the colleges in Haryana are not within a very high demand within the student, so that is the reason if your rank is not in very good, still you may get the college if you wait till round 2 and round 3. Student, if you have any query in this, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. If you are looking for paid counseling services, then you can contact me. I have a dedicated video for paid counseling services in our YouTube channel. You can go through that video. You'll get an idea of what kind of service we provide in our paid counseling services. We'll give you the best possible college according to your rank. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you can subscribe our YouTube channel to get all relevant and important information for PG Medical. I'll again meet you with the new state's counseling details.